Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystem, your ultimate source for all ERP should listen. Today I am talking about ORM method in Odoo. Okay, ORM means object relational mapping, and using ORM method we can easily interact with database and perform some operation on them. Specifically, we doesn't need to write any SQL query during calling the ORM method. Okay, and also we can manage our data using OOPS concept. This is our school management model and I am using subject.subject model. Let's go to the Sublime Text Editor. And in this video I am discussing about how to override the create method. Okay. Create method is used to create a new record in a model. This is our decorator at the rate API.model underscore create underscore multi. This decorator is specially used for creating multiple records at a time in a database, but you can also use for create a single record. Okay, this is our create method. It's have two parameters. One is self and second is wealth. Self is an instance of this class and wealth is a one type of dictionary which contains the value of this record. Okay, and this is our super function. This line called the create method of superclass using superfunction. Subject underscore subject. This is a class of our model and self is an instance of this class where this method is being called. Okay, and then call the create method. During call the create method, we pass wells as its argument. Okay, and return the res variable. And for the testing purpose we print the return statement and values. Okay, I'm trying to save this file and restart the server. Let's try to create multiple record of this model with some field name. Okay, first of all I creating a list of dictionary subject underscore list. Name is our field name and I pass some values. Let's use the create method of Odoo environment to create a record of subject.subject model using the list of dictionary. Okay, write the subject underscore list and is equal to self.env and I pass the subject.subject model and call the create method. During calling the create method, I pass the subject underscore list variable. You can see that self statement provide our model name and return statements is provide our model name with ID of our record. Let's try to commit this statement. This line commits current transaction to database means any changes made in the current transaction are permanently stored in our database. Okay, and let's exit the Python scripts and restart the server. You can see that ABC and NN is stored in our database. Okay, thank you so much. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Okay.